Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Certified pre-owned. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon. Smooth ride. Performance. Exterior. Interior. Honda Insight has it all. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.